One objection that we hear often is the payback period feels longer. But here's what most people don't calculate. They assume that the system will perform perfectly for 25 years. In many conventional systems, the inverter may need replacement in just 5 to 7 years. That means extra cost, downtime, and lower long-term savings. With Enphase, every microinverter comes with a 15-year warranty, extendable up to 25 years. And because there's no single point of failure, generation remains more consistent over time. So the conversation changes from what's the cheapest system today to which system gives the best long-term return. And that's where Enphase stands apart. Enphase, energy for the life you're building.